abagenyi ngenda kuba mbatuukako okukola
But what if you said that in the past? Ati balikuba mu basi okagenda okwingira butikole etya balemera kwisoke okwingira mu kwabo I remember whether we are driving private or not, our country should give it back. I jump on the bus, I think they are allowing us up to the gate. Only you. The rest had to jump on the bus. Where's Gilda? We are clearly from there. These people from where?
So you are the
Honorable knows. These people.
Let's see whether what allows, then I can speak.
So we are good to go? Yes. What's wrong with you? You people, they allowed me to come, and now you are stopping my vehicle. Can we go there? We clear it from there.
of course,
They are blocking my vehicle.
visiting the bus. Such a person that people are trying to explain themselves to the members, to the prisoners on the situation that is around. I want
I'm actually the one who. We're going to hand. Lord Mayor, I am the one who invited you as his lawyer. You shall interview him in your presence. All right.
Trying to explain, of course, the circumstances under which the Lord Mayor is around. He has been, of course, initially trying to be blocked from accessing the prisons, but of course, as his lawyer, he needs to be around as the commission interacts with Dr. Besigye, and that is what they are trying to explain to the prisons team, trying to make sure that the Lord Mayor also tries to access the prisons, of course. But I want also to. Now, members of Parliament have been told. I mean, that is for now what is happening here. As they get in there, we shall stay outside here. Bring through the details of what will happen to the also. Because I'm
imotoka yange bagikwatidde kamende ndabika babanyamu ekisode yagenze kutunga nabo boogere basobole okuzikiriza nyingi kati bali the chairperson of the committee invited me to be part of the exercise where they are interviewing our client. Obviously they can't conduct an interview in the absence of the lawyer. That is not that would be in order. So, and I think it was prudent for them to invite me. Now reaching here, they don't want to hear me. My vehicle has been blocked, as you can see, it is the other side. So we are trying to resolve that issue. I've been assured that they are going to talk to the authorities here and have me cleared. But definitely the interview don't proceed in my absence because I have to be there. I have to guide the process as the lawyer.